Thanks for purchasing the Ryobi 36V 14-inch cordless brushless chainsaw. By now, you should have registered your chainsaw. If you haven't, go to ryobi.com.au/myryobi to register it now and receive an additional 2 years warranty. This video contains important information to help you get the most out of your tool. In the box, you'll find the fully assembled chainsaw, a bar scabbard, and a comprehensive manual. If you bought the kit, you'll also have a 5Ah 36V battery and a 1.7A charger. Before starting, for safety, ensure the battery is removed. Purchase chain and bar oil and fill the reservoir. Turn the inner black chain tensioner knob in an anti-clockwise direction one full turn. Then turn the outer adjustment ring in a clockwise direction to achieve the correct tension. To check tension, pull the chain down away from the middle of the bar. Correctly tensioned chains should have a gap of 3 to 4 millimeters from the bar. Re-tighten the black chain tensioner knob by turning it in a clockwise direction. During use, the chain will stretch. Check tension frequently and adjust as required. When you've finished, loosen the chain so that it won't stretch permanently as it cools. Starting procedure. Attach a fully charged 36V battery. Disengage the chain brake. Slide the lockout button back towards you. Pull the switch trigger at the same time. Check that your chainsaw is lubricating correctly before use by running the chain at full speed close to a blank surface. You should be able to see a straight line of lubricant on the surface. We recommend all chainsaw users wear protective gloves, ear and eye protection, steel-capped footwear, and, where possible, safety chaps. Cleaning. After using your chainsaw, we recommend you clean it thoroughly. Start by removing the battery. Remove the sprocket cover. Remove the bar and chain. Clear away debris with a brush or cloth. Clean the chain and check it for damage or bluntness. Chainsaws have a tendency to leak chain and bar oil when not in operation. Therefore, you may wish to empty the oil reservoir after each use if you're not using your chainsaw regularly, or if you plan to store it. For more information on this or any Ryobi product, visit our website.
Ryobi, a cut above.